Aloha, I'm Chef Ryan Covert and welcome to KTA Kitchens. Today I'm going to show you how to make a kimchi turkey patty with a cucumber tomato relish. Let's get started. To make the relish, in a small bowl add sliced cucumbers, grape tomatoes, sesame oil, fish sauce, vinegar, and cilantro. Mix well and set aside. For the patties, add turkey, garlic, ginger, red onion, cilantro, kimchi cabbage, kimchi base, egg, panko, and hot sauce, and mix well. Form into 6 patties and place on a baking sheet. Grill on high heat for 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Add desired amount of sriracha mayo on top of each patty and top with the relish. Enjoy these patties with your favorite side dish. For the full recipe, visit KTA Superstores.com/recipes.